The next step in the evolution of GenePattern Notebook is here. You can now share and publish your projects, as well as access those shared and published by others. With this step, projects are now the standard unit of operation in the GenePattern Notebook Workspace. An intro video for notebook projects can be found via the link in the upper right. One of the first things you will notice is that any notebooks which were shared or published before this update are now contained in their own projects, ensuring that the shared or published notebook is kept alongside its dependencies. To preview a project, select it from the library below your projects, then click Preview. This will open a new browser tab displaying more information about the project, including a list of files, such as notebooks, which are contained within that project. To then copy the project to your workspace, allowing you to run the notebooks within it, click Run. The familiar notebook workspace is now opened for that project. An introduction to the basics of the GenePattern Notebook Workspace can be found via the link in the upper right. You can also copy a project into your workspace by selecting it from the library below and clicking Run Project in the dialog that opens, or by clicking the gear icon in the upper right of the project. To publicly share your own project, making it available in the library for all users, in your projects, click the project's gear menu and then select Publish in the list. This will open a dialog with a short form, prompting you to enter the author's name, the quality, and a brief description. Fill out this information and then click the Publish button on the dialog. Your project is now available to the public and will appear in the Public Library section below. Note that the Public Library is only available from the Main Projects page, and there is no longer a Notebook Library tab within individual projects. The published version of the project is a checkpoint at the time it was published. Any changes you make to the project in the future are not copied over to the published version unless you explicitly choose to update the project in the library. You can update or remove a project you have published by clicking the gear menu and then selecting Publishing in the list. In the Update dialog, you will see the option to edit any of the project's metadata, such as the author name and description. To update or remove the project, select the corresponding button. You may also choose to share a project with a select user or group of users, rather than publicly with all users. To share a project, click the gear menu and then select Share. This will open a dialog with a short form prompting you to enter the username or email of each user with whom you wish to share the project. Use a comma or tab between users, then click Share. To view sharing invitations from other users, scroll down to the section named Shared with Me. Click Accept Invite to accept a sharing invitation. Click Reject Invite to reject an invitation. If you accept the invitation, you may then click on the project to launch it, and we once again see the familiar GenePattern Notebook Workspace. Click here to watch another video about the GenePattern Notebook Workspace and all that it has to offer. Learn more at our website, notebook.genepattern.org, or by getting in touch with us on our forum, or following us on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram.